In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a filter in Google Sheets. Creating a filter helps you narrow down specific data that you're looking for and that you might want to share with others. So there are 3 ways to do it. Here's the first one. First, go to Data and click on Create a Filter. The second method is to go to this toolbar, click on the 3 dots, and here, Create a Filter. Click on that. And the last method is to just click on the row, right-click on it, and you'll see here, Create a Filter. Select that. So let's filter our data. Let's say you just want to see movies from the year 2014. So click on this icon right here. And again, we're going to be filtering by values. So let's clear all the selected data. Input your year. Select all and click OK. And right now, what you're being shown are just movies from the year 2014. Now let's try that again with the genre. Click on that icon. Clear all the data that are selected and choose the genre you want. So let's say drama and click OK. And here you see all the movies that were released in 2014 under the genre drama. And that's how to create a filter in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.